with a cold red stripe. Please subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace out. What's up guys? There, you know. Today we are try to cook some barbecue pigtail, you know. Yeah man. So right now I go to the favorite Jamaican spot. Let's see if I get my stuff them. Yeah. Okay, now we're there all the way out in Virginia. So right now we're there. See there? Caribbean market. Yeah man, I guess I'm gonna get my stuff them, you know. Yeah man, so right now I'm gonna grab some pigtail, you know. Cool. See there? I'm gonna grab some chubby, you know. Yeah. Yeah, you're good, man. You're good. Like so, yeah. There you go. So I let this sit, to be honest with you, overnight. Yeah, as you can see, the water is not clear anymore. So that sits overnight, so I'm gonna boil it now. Right? Yeah. We still have more salt to get out of it. So yeah. Yeah, so let's get the grill running for the pigtails. So I'm gonna use this charcoal here. I'm gonna heat it up a little bit, you know. You don't have to use too much because it's not a lot of pigtail. Okay. Guys, remember to like and share. Also subscribe if you haven't. So what I'm gonna use is this. That pin in the middle. Get some of this boy here. Do this. And then do this. Yeah. See? And then I'm gonna put it in the middle right there. Yeah, so I can get this coal up and running for the pigtails, you know? Yeah. So yep. After let them boil for I boil them a couple times, you know, change the water up like probably 3 times, you know, and it's tender, you know. You don't want it too tender because I'm gonna cook it on the grill also. So all I'm gonna add to it is this is garlic, black pepper, and ginger. Remember, it's salted pigtail. You don't want any more salt, any more seasoning. So that's all I'm gonna add to it. That's good. And I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce in it right now. See? Yeah, so do it like this. Mix it up and give it some color, you know. I'm gonna add more barbecue sauce to it while it's cooking. This is just a start. See here? Yeah. So all I'm gonna add to it right now, and then I'm gonna put it on the grill. So I'm gonna use a top rack first. I don't want to burn them. It's rolling all over the place. Yeah, top rack first, because the barbecue sauce, with the barbecue sauce, you don't want to burn them, because the barbecue sauce get crystallized real quick. So yeah, see, put them all over there on the top there. Yeah. Yeah guys, so this is gonna be the mixture. I'm gonna use the barbecue, fish and meat, and a little of this sauce here to sweeten it a little bit. You know, and to give it a little heat, so I'm gonna mix it in this whole thing, and I'm gonna use my paintbrush to like baste it, you know, while it go along. So right now, let's see right here. See what's going on? Yeah, see? Yep. See, coming along nicely, you know. So you want to just baste them like that. You know, just baste them. Not too heavy, because you know you don't want them to burn. Because with the sauce they will burn quickly. Because see the flames right there, and see them. So as I said, more smoky flavor, and it will cook throughout. Yep. You guys ready? There you go. See? That's all we're serving it with. Yeah? Some white rice. Could say gourmet style, you know? Yeah. See how we're looking? So that's barbecue pigtail right there. Look. Yeah, man. Like and share, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Right? Don't left out the red stripe, you know. We're going to crack a cold red stripe for this one, yeah? So what's going on? Yeah, man, we are going to taste it now, you know. We are going to try it. First thing we want a piece of the pigtail. Soft. See? Look a bit of rice on it. Real soft, man. So you have the saltness of the pigtail. Didn't put any season on it. It's just garlic, ginger, and black pepper mixture with the barbecue sauce, because everybody know the pigtail is already salty. So yeah, you just need a little sweetness to it. This bad, man. With a cold red stripe. Please subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace out.